If you want to see what I received from Clionadh Cosmetics, then stick around. All right, let's get this out of the way. If you like the content in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content on this channel in general, please consider subscribing. That would be lovely. Hello, it's Hélène with another video. This time I am so excited. I am going to be talking an indie brand from Canada, particularly Clionadh Cosmetics. And I have a little box right here from the brand. Now, I vowed that I would not be doing hauls anymore on this channel, at least for a good while. But this is a little bit different. What I wanted to do was show you the care and attention that went into packaging this product up and shipping it to me. I have shown you previous products that I've received from Clionadh. Let me show you those products right now. This is what I have so far. And if you have seen the prior video, and I will link the video right here, you would know that this little guy had an accident during the video, but there has been a remedy to this. Now, if you're curious, this is the Sorbet highlighter, which has since gone out of stock. And there's a whole lot more about it in the previous video. And then the rest of these shades are the Harvest Moon collection by Clionadh. And if you're curious about this palette, this is the Tarte's Pro Magnetic Palette. It's available at Sephora if you're curious. Now, here is the package, and you will see I have a number of goodies in here. But I want to talk about the care and attention put toward packaging this super nicely. So first off, there is a nice card from Clionadh Cosmetics, A Touch of Divinity, with all the proper contact information if we have any questions or issues. That's always nice to receive. And there are a number of packages. This one I have not opened yet. I decided to wait until I was on camera to do so. Because it was ordered around Christmas, I received a little candy cane, which I thought was really, really nice and sweet. I received a number of singles that were all wrapped in a big pack of bubble wrap. And when I say wrapped with care, I mean it. Major wrapped with care. And each one of these is in its own individual plastic container, has the name on it on one side and the spongy protecting layer on the other side. I will unbox all of these and put them in the magnetic palette that I showed you earlier. I have a total of 2, 4, 6 shadows, and one of them, Sublimate, I think it is. Let me just check. I think it's Sublimate. It's either Sublimate or Soul, that is a limey yellow as a replacement for the Sorbet that had that unfortunate accident. But I will show you each one of these in a minute. Now, these are for Duochrome shadows. I forgot to mention that, or actually Duochrome highlighters. And then I also have, and you'll see, do you see some of the sparkly stars there? I'll show you the rest of that little packaging in a second. In each of these Aftershock highlighters were some of those silver stars that are so kind of nice to get when you open up the package and you don't expect to see anything in it, and all of a sudden there's some more goodies in there. So these came wrapped in tissue paper inside. I got rid of the tissue paper, but it was there, I guarantee you. And you can see on the back all 8 of the Aftershock high voltage iridescent pressed pigments that are highlighters. I'll show you all 4. Now, I was planning on just putting these all in the magnetic palette, but I think that based on the packaging, and these are all hand painted by what I understand, I'm not going to do anything with that. Although, oh, look at the back. There are holes there so that you can get these pans out, which is really nice. Now I have 4 of them. Now this one circuit down here is kind of away from the pan, so I'm going to be very careful. I think if I were to tip that over, it would fall right out. But there are 4 of these highlighters. So there's OHM, Electrocute, Fuse, and Circuit. And I don't know if you can see all of these, it's handwritten on the palette itself, which I think it's just, I don't know, there's such a personalization of each one of the products that I actually find very heartwarming as opposed to being from a much larger brand. And this is the second one, and this one is the second set of these Aftershock highlighters, and this one is in black. And this is the tissue paper that the other one was packaged in originally, and you can see the stars that it came packaged in as well right there. I think it was kind of pretty that have little stars come flying out, just like almost like fairy dust. And here's the other one, very pretty. And this one I don't think there were any issues with the highlighters. No, these looked really good. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other one. I guess I'll have to repress a little bit. But this looks really good. Breaker, High Voltage, Current, and Spark. And these, LS is a big fan of these highlighters, and I'm really looking forward to playing with these. If you would like to see swatches of all of these products, please let me know. I just wanted to show you the packaging and the care and attention that went into it, which I, again, find very heartwarming. Now let's open these guys. I have not done so before. Comes in a nice little pouch, which I think is so cute. And each one of these, there are stars, little stars in here as well. There are 4 of these. Just going to carefully take them out. And you'll see little stars in the bottom of the bag here. I just think these little bits of detail are, again, they're nice and they're not something you would see from all that many brands. And lots of packing paper to make sure things did not move. But last and not least, when I opened up the box, there were all these little snowmen and snowflakes and all that stuff inside the box too, which, given it was around Christmas, was a really nice little touch. We're all kids at heart, aren't we? So I'm going to open this up. I have not, as I said, opened these yet. Very nice little packaging, and let's open that up. Here is the first one of these Duochrome shades. I'm going to pop it right in the palette. This is the Pheonix Embers. Next up, I'll open up this blue one. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Again, these are all supposed to be duochrome. This one is called Seer. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Next up, I'll open up the pink. It looks like the tissue paper even is color coordinated so far with the pressed powder inside. It is, yes it is, my goodness. So this is the next one. Let's take a look at what the names are. I don't remember all the names from when I ordered. Oh, this is beautiful. And this one is Enchantment for face, eyes, and lips. That is beautiful. And last one, something tells me it's going to be blue. A little star fell out. Looks like this. Oh, it's not blue. It's kind of a pink again. Let's see. And this one is Aether. Again, face, eyes, and lips. But there's a purple look to it too, doesn't it? Doesn't it have a purple look? So that's good. All right. And here are the 4 duochromes that I just unpacked for you. Last but not least, let's unpack the 6 singles that I got. The first one is Soul. And again, they're all in these little plastic packages. Here is Soul. It's a beautiful color. Next one is Spruce, which is a green. That should not be a surprise to anybody. Oh. I thought it was going to be green. It is blue. That's not what I remember Spruce looking like, so I will see if there is a green somewhere else in the package. Next up is Sublimate. And this one is a matte limey yellow. Beautiful. And if you see a little bit of damage in there, I did open that earlier to make sure it was okay, and I dug my nail into it, so that's not how it came to me. Next up, I have Eye of Newt, and that's what it looks like. Very pretty color. And this one is a metallic that I ordered. It's called Merlot. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. And finally, we have Chocolate Orange. And Chocolate Orange looks like this. And you can definitely see the orange in it. And again, another metallic. So yes, I definitely did not get Spruce. I got a different color. I'm not sure why. But anyway, I'm not mad at it. It's not a bad color, but it's just not what I was expecting. And so I made room for all of them here. And so this is my collection of now Clionadh Cosmetics Aftershock shadows that are in these 2 quads. So that's it for the unboxing of my Clionadh Cosmetics order. A little bit of an unexpected substitution there, but I very much am looking forward to using those shadows, and you can expect absolutely a brand new focus on the entire set of Clionadh eyeshadows and highlighters that I have managed to get my paws on. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. I look forward to your comments below, and also look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.